Hey everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. If you like tools, you're in the right place because I'm going to keep showing whatever I can because I love tools. A couple of videos ago, I showed this set of snap-on ratcheting wrenches that I got. This is the 19mm. I'm using the bigger one for an example, and it's easier to get to. It looked like these ends are serviceable, so it's likely that if you break the teeth inside or this ring, you'll be able to take it off and replace that rather than getting the whole wrench. But I haven't broke one yet, so I don't know. But I thought we'd take it apart and see what it looks like inside. Snap ring is a little tricky, but doable with a small screwdriver like this. Get that out. And you have this part. Cool. You can see the teeth here, and they're running along in here. And it's like a ratchet, only it only has one side because there's no switch, so it doesn't need two sides to be able to reverse. You just flip the wrench over to go the other way. So it's just the teeth in here and a spring holding it. Seems like it's in there pretty good. So just look for when these teeth wear out or get broken, or maybe the gear here will get broken. This is pretty stout though, for it probably won't break the actual gear that easily, but it's possible. So that's what it looks like. Thought we'd do a quick showing of what's inside and how it looks and how easy it is to be able to replace it. The snap ring's the worst part of it. Getting this on and off. I tried it before making this, and that's a little tricky, but not too bad. Get this guy back in there. It is a little tricky, but definitely able to get in there. Alright, so that's what the inside of the snap-on ratcheting wrenches look like. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Have an awesome day.